Today's industrial facilities face pressures to reduce capex, manage energy costs, increase uptime, improve sustainability, and stay competitive in a rapidly evolving energy landscape. EcoStruxure Power and Process brings power and process automation together to create a unified, data-driven approach across the entire plant lifecycle. This strategy is built on three core pillars: optimized design, unified operations, and enhanced decision intelligence. On optimized design, we begin by integrating power and process engineering early in the project lifecycle. By using digital twins and unified models of both systems, teams can simulate scenarios, test decisions, and design more efficiently. This reduces oversizing, minimizes rework, and helps projects move faster and stay on budget. On unified operations, once in operation, that same unified approach continues. A single control and information platform bring power and process systems together, providing electrical information seamlessly and in real time to automation systems. This gives operators consistent, synchronized insights across the entire facility, improving reliability, strengthening asset performance, and helping prevent failures before they occur. On enhanced decision intelligence, finally, with real-time data and advanced analytics in place, teams can make smarter, faster decisions. This enables optimization of energy use, reduction of emissions, and improved profitability through better visibility across the entire value chain. Together, these three pillars deliver more resilient, more efficient, and sustainable operations powered by EcoStruxure Power and Process. Thank you.